Okay, Wade is attempting to hit a phone, which is currently hiding over here. As you can see, that is the phone. And right now, that shot that is in the camera was by me. And it was one hell of a shot for a sniper rifle shot.
How many times we fired?
Yeah, considering how many times we fired, is what it said in the background. Yeah. This was just the front with a few shots of my sniper rifle and his revolver. Yeah. So, we're having fun destroying my old ass phone. And you're ready to rock and roll?
Yep.
Range is now hot.
Safety off.
Safety's off. Oh fuck. Okay.
Hit it?
According...
Like it?
No, it didn't. You didn't even hit it.
Yeah, it's a bitch to aim.
Oh, I bet it's a bitch to aim. Nope.
Looking left or right?
Let's see. Hold up.
Right.
You're gonna have to go high. And hey, you shot out the other camera.
What?
You shot out the mini camera on the front here, like right
You're
there.
shitting me.
No, you shot. Wait, is that?
I can see a few shots hit it, but...
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna turn the camera that way and my face the other way. That way we can see some damage or something. Maybe. As he winds it. Oh, I see what he's doing. That's what he's using. This bad boy is what I was using. Sounds like you're hitting the box. Alright.
Check the phone.
We're checking the phone again, and it looks like blood stains right there. Great. Nothing.
Nothing.
Not at all.
It's not like I was in the box.
Yeah. You were hitting the box pretty hard. Alright. Considering I heard a lot of box shots, I might switch it up to this way. Does that work? There. I think that would work, wouldn't it? Eee! Meat shield. Whoa, shit. Yeah, you can't even see anything over there with that. Alright.
Oh, easy to hit.
Mind if I give it a shot?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. I'm gonna pass it over to you.
It's fucking bright, man.
Oh, yeah. This is gonna be funny as hell if I hit it with this thing.
Oh, fuck, no shit.
All I felt is something skimming me.
Here, 1 sec. Go
There.
safe. Okay, if you hit the can, you will know.
Bitch is heavy.
18 pounds.
Motherfucker!
There, shoot there, shoot there.
Okay, I gotta see what I hit, if anything.
Oh, you definitely hit the phone.
Oh, yeah?
Fuck, I did shoot out the other camera.
Oh, yeah, now I see where I hit. Up here.
Yeah. Okay, where that can go? Okay, here.
Alright.
Nice little target finder.
Target finder, exactly, yeah. Just use the can. Whoops. My beautiful dryer that is currently fucked. Okay. Were you standing right about here?
Yeah.
Hopefully this... You hit it. I seen it move. Pretty high. Ooh. Oh, I see that! Holy shit! Dude! Like, oh, I see! As soon as I heard the first crack. Crack. Crack, 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 crack.
It looked like it slowed in there. I just saw it hit there and then lit her up, man.
Oh, shit. After 5 minutes of fooling around with a M60...
Wait.
With...
Only used about 500 rounds.
About that, yeah. Damn. For as far as away as it is, yeah. Quite fun, quite fun. Bye, y'all.